One bunch the same way. As me come out to perform a bag of man gather. You know why me look so good? Money man a deal it from your silly step in. Me a look with this man a Selena and Sabrina. Money man a deal it from your silly step in. Money man a deal it every minute, every time. Give me every nickel, every penny, every dime. If you want. Voila! Alright! When you ready now, stretch your time move. I want my tune. Ready. Superstar, you ready now? When you ready? You know why they don't like me? You know why they don't like me? You know why they don't like me? Why? So, Rasta a bigger gal is the son of boy. Rasta a bigger gal is the son of boy. Rasta a bigger gal is the son of boy. 2 weeks ago, bitch. You alright? Never. Today on Friday, man spend. You sure? He must spend. You not spend. You know a woman, so you not spend. Anyway, 2 weeks ago, me book a girl named Amoy. She fell in love with this poor Rasta boy. Natural talent, she want from full joy. Man, where she have up a one boring boy. Me no lie. Mo want big up, keep it bouncing little bit, man. Mo want big up the sponsors. Big up Sun City Radio 104.9. Always make sure say, love all the high gringo. You love all the mingo. I jump the clocks and timber. Hey boy, where your mouth swinger. Chewing up the coochie like a tringo. Only nothing this a tingo. I know sex girl we a bingo. Strictly French cut and stringer. You know, level. Ready? All you know, sir. Them rate the man, them we are real Rasta. Put the gun in our ear. All you hear. Boy, you don't know, sir, where the Ras. 100%. Over there. All right, ready now. Where the Ras. You don't deal with kitty cat. You don't deal with pork. Where you are. Gosh. Where the Ras. You don't deal with kitty cat. You don't deal with pork chops. You don't hang around barber shop. Scissors go for go near your lap. You don't stand up in a party shop. This real? Oh, real. Only for plant up and go on, you know. Anyway, level. Me not burn out myself. Get my drink same time. 3 years past it. No bother. Put it down and pass it, go on back. So you send them out. Neatly. I just come here and tell him to pass the drink, him not going to pass it. Right? But anyway, Jungle Fyah has reached a different dimension. Right now we reach a foreign. You see the next act when I call on stage? Hold on. But we have a gracefully acknowledge her in the house. All the way from California, United States of America. She have a new song with Sizzler and the ear called Embraced It. I want to put you on and welcome Man of the Dawn, Orisha Sound. My gosh.
You guys pick up Beetle. Alright, now to make sure it's the best mic in the house. We don't settle for less. Alright. This wasn't planned, so I want you guys to participate for a second, alright? So, When it's not planned, it's the best, right? So I want you to give me a... So just a clapping, right? Clap, 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 clap. Doing great. Drop the track number 1.
Is this what you want to be, their entertainment, their plaything?
Louder.
Their
Make it louder.
Cowering beneath a whip. And then fighting amongst ourselves. Is this what you want?
Feel it. It's my apple, come take a bite. Make my secret garden, my garden. Make my secret garden of love come alive. So forbidden, secrets hidden, deep inside this Pandora's pleasure. So magnetic, can't forget it. Now I'm losing all control. If I take you there, if I take you there, if I take you there, if I take you there. If I take you there. te amo magnifique. Somos como eu antes live. Magnifique, acho tu, doce down. I want you, be my beautiful son. Never tasted such a nectar. Now I'm pleading, give me more. Love addiction, back to fiction. And it's burning me down to the core. If I take you there, if I take you there. Look at the moon. How about me and you? Just one more time. How intense it would be. Just one more time. Please. Just one more time. I see you looking. I know you like. So here's my apple. Come take a bite. Make my secret garden a fly. Come alive.
I mean, flew in.
Alright.
Alright. I want to put you up on the spot. Bring our violin, come. Put her up on the spot. Say you're in a forest, and a beer woman in a forest, and one man alone in a forest, which is me. Because I'm one of the best looking men. And me in a one tall tree, because every woman thirsty like how you are going. And through his woodland, every woman need wood. So, me in a one tall tree. So me want you get me out of the tree. So I want you play something to get me out of the tree. Remember enough woman, you know. So they want excuse me there, 1 minute, excuse. I want to pretend I'm in a one tree. Don't play no here, because I tree this me now. I tree this. I'm somewhere in Africa. Hold on now. I'm in a tree. And be a woman down there, some in the pond. And you have to throw me up. Alright, get me out that tree now. Get me out that tree. Younger woman. Alright. I hear a sound. What could be that sound? Somebody trying to get me to the tree. What they want? Nothing? I have to see. Oh my God, it's a whitey. You want to get the... Oh! Behave yourself. Let's play more. Kaya Buma. Oh, let me get up out. And still don't come out the tree. Oh, whitey looking desperate. Still can't get me out the tree. Play something to get me out the tree. Samba. Nearer. 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 Oh, black man out that tree now. Out that tree now. Out that tree. Ah, go on now. Go on. All right, go on. Out that tree. All right. No. I be an idiot to not take me for you know. When you come and come laugh at me, take me for one piece of idiot. And by let me tell you something. Your clothes not fit for front page, find the back page. By the way, stay a rider, my friend. By the way, are you ready? Alicia, big up yourself. Yeah. And if you talk to you, my clothes are not in me for. Like you want right in nature, me temperature. Girl, them a pose for me take temperature. You know me girl, them back. Start over. All of the girls, the woman, they know, say, that looks nice. Where you put on tight clothes and not him differ. Like you want right the date and the temperature. Girl in them a post to take temperature. You got the girl them before the one where them richer. Where you put on tight clothes and not take me. Okay? And my things is not Jamaican, US. So don't change it out and try to send it. Send it in the bulk. Take care. Excuse me. Keep your lyrics to yourself. Don't throw it that way. Okay? You can talk to each other, but don't talk to her. Move on. Bodyguard them, you know? No, me not come to host the show because I have to talk about them things here. The reason why we have to pay a little fee for coming because the artists, they have a prize. The best hairstyle. When the prize there, bring the prize come. Because the woman will come and Jungle Fyah them up. When the prize there. But before they would have vibes are going, you know. Watch it now.